Oh, hello. What are you doing in there? Just kidding, but hello guys. Today we are going to clean out my fridge because I finally have a sink that I can empty all of the leftovers, trash, whatever doesn't need to be in here out of, because I don't think my fridge has ever looked this disorganized. So let's clean it really quick. Okay, I'm just gonna start from the top and work my way down.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, yeah, no lady. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Chateau, my mom, cause New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract.
It's actually not seeming as bad as I thought it was, but it also ain't great.
Get some me time.
I like for the top row to just be leftovers, but we also put Nevada's drinks up here when he has them. This shelf is all for my protein stuff, obviously.
In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But
Okay, now I just need to clean out the doors.
everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Wondering why
Okay, she is looking, stop! Okay, it is looking like 100% better. Got all of the old stuff taken out, everything organized. I feel like it's crazy that we have a whole shelf for hot sauce, a whole shelf for jelly, a whole shelf for other sauces. Ask me why we have 3 of these. I couldn't tell you, but yeah, everything is looking better. Now I need to clean the freezer, which is not that bad, but I got all this done. Now I need to do all the dishes from everything I got rid of before I go to work. I have to leave in 50 minutes, so if you've watched it this far, comment some sort of food emoji, I don't know. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.